Hello guys, so it's a windy day today, but I'm gonna talk about the wind turbines again. So just gonna head to the two what awfully broke, and by the way I got my new haircut. I'm wearing an Alvin jacket. It's time to do it. Right, that is them. That's one. That's two. No, I don't know where the silver one's gone, but it's actually disappeared. I'm just going to find it. Oh, and I found it. Just lying down like you. Actually, I'm going to put it up. It's just going in. Right, now that's out of the way. Let's have a look. So I have put some Christmas decorations all around the house. Because it's nearly Christmas, everyone. So right now, it's 5th of December, 2025. This is in the UK. And it's very windy. So I'll pause there. Bye.